Kenny Davis with Whitetail Frenzy. Hunting season's over here in West Virginia, but these postseason winter snowfalls is one of my favorite times to come in and scout and utilize my cell cameras. You can see where the deer are traveling, you find the tracks easily in the snow. I just came down here and put up this Spartan GoCam2 on one heck of a deer trail coming through here. Now this specific camera, it's been out since late summer up on the ridge, and the batteries are still in good shape. The battery life on this camera is awesome, and like all Spartan cell cameras, the picture and video quality on this camera is unmatched by any other cell camera on the market. You can set this thing up in picture mode, video mode, or picture and video mode is how I have this one set up. You can get up to 10-second HD videos on the app. The app's easy to set up. You can have multiple Spartan cameras, different types of Spartan cameras on that app. But this camera is awesome. Trigger speed is great. Picture quality is great. Battery life is great, and it's dependable. It also has a place here where you can hook up an external power supply. So if you have this camera on a food source, you're putting out feed, getting a ton of pictures, you can hook that up to get extra battery life. But if you're looking for a new cell camera this year, check out the GoCam2 from Spartan Cameras.